So, hi William.
Hello.
So, ano yung best quality for you ng iyong lola Rosa?
She was a very selfless person, and she knew she gave all of herself without expecting anything in return. Yun talaga, I guess that was what, hindi na siya nag-iisip, she did not help with conditions, ganun. She helped because she wanted to, because it was really her life's journey.
May time ba na nakasama ka when she was doing...
Yes, I used to be a part of the Red Cross Youth a long time ago, when I was just starting. And then she put me as assistant in the blood program also. Kung hindi siya nakakapunta sa mga bloodletting niya, ako yung pinapapunta niya, lalo na dun sa mga malalaki, like the corporate ones, like Land Bank, ganon. And then I also started my own in the provinces also with the coordination also with the Red Cross.
Kailan yung last communication nyo before she passed away?
Naku, 2 days. 2 or 3 days. She was totally okay. As a matter of fact, it was very difficult. I don't usually wear eyeglasses and naka-contacts, but because it was very emotional, rini-reject na ng mata ko yung contacts ko sa sobrang iyak na wala na yata akong luha. Pero it was very fast. It was very fast. Sa totoo lang, ang isang maganda lang, maganda given the situation, is she really did not suffer. She did not go into a coma. She did not experience any pain, and she was still able to talk to us, listen to us until the very last moment.
What will you miss the most about her?
Honestly, there's nobody like her. I will miss that. I cannot exactly 100% explain it, but there's nobody like her. Iba siya. You cannot say she's a saint. Hindi naman siya the very super nice, because there are moments that talagang she's also mataray.
Fiery temper.
Yeah.
Yes.
She has, but she's kind. She's kind and she's not plastic, and she'll do what she wants, and she doesn't follow any set norms. Ganun.
Can you share with me a memorable story of your lola? Like your experience, like when you were growing up, ganyan, bonding nyo.
Mama Rose is not a very, ano ba yun sabihin mong, not a very malambing person, so to speak, in public. Pero in private, she's very, she takes time to talk to us, yung para bang the importance of yung para bang being your own person. And even if, for example, like ako, I started also following her it's big shoes to fill. I don't even know if I will ever even manage 10% of it in my own lifetime, no? Pero para sa akin, we started a new program on another channel, Agapay Tatak Rosa Rosal on BATV, and I'm on my 3rd episode. It's very sad because actually all of this was happening while I was taping the 3rd episode. Kaya ang hirap mag-concentrate noon. Pero she's very dedicated in everything that she does. Put 2,000% sa lahat ng ginagawa.
Did she used to read you a bedtime story when you were a kid? No.
My Rosa Rosal kasi is
What's her love language?
Is my grand aunt. She's the sister of my maternal grandmother. Magkapatid sila ng lola ko. So kumbaga, ako, pamangkin sa apo sa pamangkin. Yes, something like that. Pero ako lang ang sort of like sumunod sa yapak niya in even sa network, TV4, gano'n.
Yeah. She used to be, of course, one of the greatest gems ng Philippine cinema.
Yes.
Yes. So, do you have like a favorite movie of her?
Actually kasi nung nagkamalay na ako I lived in Indonesia for most of my life. So ang naabutan ko na lang alongside her is really yung public service, sa Red Cross talaga. Yun ang naabutan ko. Of course, during the times that she was getting older, we were able to watch and experience the restoration of Biyaya ng Lupa, Bajau, ayun. And it was nice to see her watch it on the big screen na syempre high res na, parang ganon.
So last question, William, ano yung, if you had any unsaid words, ano yung gusto mo sana sabihin sa kanya? Or last message?
That she's loved. She's loved by many people. She's appreciated by many people. And that comes out yung para bang spanning generations. Parang, syempre, medyo nakakalungkot na mga yung kabataan hindi na siya kilala, but you cannot blame them because they were not there during that time. But I wish yung para bang meron darating na tao katulad niya na hindi na, kasi nag-asawa siya isang beses. After that, hindi naman matagal yung ano nila yung union nila. Pero hindi na siya naghanap ng iba. She did not get married anymore. She dedicated her life to humanitarian services and she helped a lot of people.
Thank you.